here in the city of Los Angeles. And right now I'm going to be conducting a First Amendment audit of Paramount Studios. We're going to make sure that our friends at Paramount respect and honor the rights of a free citizen to record in public. So yeah, here it is, Paramount. Got a security booth over there. I was across the street earlier. Now I'm on the studio side. But I'm on a public sidewalk. I'm not on their property. There's the guard there checking people in. Not quite sure if he's noticed me yet. Got some cars coming out. Yeah, this is here's a look inside. Sign right there, lets me know exactly where I am. Another look at the guard booth there.
I've been taking Virgin. No,
Well, so far, no contact. I've only been here a few minutes, so the audit's still young. The guard again. Got a Buick. And a Honda. Maybe I should go audit a car lot. Keep mentioning all the cars. He doesn't look happy. Maybe he got denied the part that he auditioned for in the new Tom Cruise movie or something. Some people waiting to go inside there. And there is the famous Paramount water tower with the Paramount logo painted on the side of it. A little history behind that logo. Co-founder William Wadsworth Hotchkin chose the mountain because he said it reminded him of his youth spent in Utah. And the stars, which were representations of the original actors and actresses that were put under contract at Paramount in 1916 by co-founder Adolf Zukov. Hopefully I'm not butchering his name, but yeah, there's a little history lesson for you all. So some famous movies have been filmed at the Paramount lot. They got this green here that's surrounding the property. But anyways, movies like Sunset Boulevard, The Godfather, Airplane, and Chinatown with Jack Nicholson. Those are some of the famous movies that were shot here. And interesting enough, if you've ever seen Coming to America with Eddie Murphy, in the beginning when they show the Paramount Mountain, there's a shot that actually goes over the mountain and then the opening credits begin. That was something that was kind of different. And something that I learned about Paramount is that they actually give tours here. You can actually come and take a tour of the studio lot. See, I wasn't lying. They do actually give tours here at Paramount. Unlike at CBS, where I guess they're not as open to the public as they are here at Paramount. Nice little look into the studio. You got somebody over there, maybe a sound guy. Oh, maybe this van's gonna come out. I moved over to another gate. Maybe we'll see some action. Or maybe we'll see some movie stars. Maybe Tom Cruise will come strolling out. Tell me I'm not allowed to take his picture without his permission. We got this entrance here. I saw some people coming out and they left the door open. See any security guard or anybody here? It says it's the Gower entrance. Oh, that looks like there's maybe a guard in that window right there. Stand over here. Don't want to block the egress.
You get to go home now?
Oh, yeah. Have a good day. Somebody else coming out here. Maybe she's telling on me. Hi! Uh-oh, she's going. Oh no, I think I scared her off. Another gate here. Oh, this is kind of cool. Oh yeah, this would be a cool shot right here. Oh wow. Nice look into the lot there. Where the sound stages are. And a bike. Alrighty. Somebody getting off work. Howdy. There's another bike guy. Stopping at security. Alright, there we go. Take it off. Whoa. Here, let me hand that to you.
Thank you.
There you go, sir. Have a good one. Leonard Nimoy Way. I don't need to tell you who Leonard Nimoy is, or was. So I'm over here at the Lemon Grove Gate. This is on the corner of Lemon Grove and Van Ness Avenue. This lot is huge. It covers quite a bit of area. Oh, it looks like a manual door. Huh. It's interesting. I would think Paramount would have a bit more fancier technology, but I guess not. But yeah, that's kind of interesting. People are like manually opening the door themselves. Huh. That's different. Not something you see every day, but you know, you learn something new every time you do one of these things. It's like a common sight that you see at these film studios, these like golf cart looking type things. I guess it's because the lots are so big, they use these to maneuver around to get from one side of the property to the other. That and bicycles. Got a security guard in there, he's hard at work. Checking people in, checking.
Can I help you?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Can I have your ID?
No.
Then get lost.
No, I don't have to, I'm on public property.
Alright.
This is a public sidewalk.
Somebody's coming. You cannot take pictures of the lot.
Yes, I can. I can take anything I see from a public vantage point. Learn the law. Now he's closing the gate. Oh yeah, tough guy. Oh, Mr. Tough Guy over there is calling somebody. Wonder who he's calling. Maybe he's gonna bring some Scientology goons over here to deal with me. Oh, look at that. Wow, what a crybaby. Now people can't get in because, or I guess they can. Security over there, and then looks like a LAPD motor unit, I think. Oh yeah. Probably working some overtime. It's probably like a overtime assignment. Now we got these big production trucks. You see them when they go out to do shoots. They're gonna shoot a film or something like that. Kind of neat. It really shows you like what goes into the making of a motion picture. You know, talking about millions of dollars. How you doing? Good, thank you. So yeah, as it is. What I find kind of interesting is that that security guard over there at the Lemon Grove gate was trying to say that I wasn't allowed to take pictures of the studio and he was going to call somebody, and I just walked past an LAPD motor unit who didn't try to stop me, pointed my camera right at him. Now don't you think if what I was doing was illegal, don't you think that officer would have said, excuse me sir, stop right there. Yeah, another example of a security guard doesn't know the law. Truck going in there. Alright, now I'm over here at the Van Ness gate, and let's see what they do over here. I think it might just be that one guy who's, maybe he's having a bad day. Maybe somebody spiked his coffee or whatnot, but there's security right there. And the gate's opening up. They're letting the big truck inside, letting everybody inside that's trying to go in. Hi. How's it going?
Good.
How's it going?
Where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
Filming Paramount.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. Well, is this like a special assignment for?
Yeah.
I heard a lot of, because whatchamacallit, I've talked to some LAPD officers. They say that these kind of like when you do security at the film, when they're doing like a film or something, that this is like a overtime assignment.
It is?
Oh, okay. So you're probably working on your day off then.
So I've got a lot of days off right now. But anyway, yeah, we come out here when we're out and about, make sure they don't get in trouble.
People are abiding by the traffic laws and all that.
Traffic, and all that.
No damages. All right, well, cool. All right, well, have a good day.
Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
I'm from around here.
Oh, you
yeah,
are? Okay.
I'm from. Yeah, I just wanted, it's Paramount. Want to check it out.
Good old Paramount. Been here since 1910 or something.
Yeah, there's a lot. I've been to a lot of the famous studios. Like I was at CBS the other day, Studio Center, and then Warner Brothers, and they were really nice at Warner Brothers. They weren't so friendly at Disneyland, not Disneyland, but no, Disney Studios over in Burbank.
I know.
Yeah.
I don't go there either.
Yeah, they didn't like it too much, but all right. Well, have a good day.
You too.
Appreciate it.
See you.
Got more of these golf carts things. People who are, I guess, make sure nobody brings in anything they're not supposed to, such as some Scud missile launchers.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Is this the Paramount? Is this the VIP lot?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's just a lot.
You got some nice tats.
Thanks.
Ah, cool. I like art.
Give me 1 second.
Oh, okay. So sorry about that. I didn't mean to. No, I just wanted to check out the studio. Thanks for being professional. One of the guard at the Lemon Grove gate was kind of giving me a hard time.
Oh, was he?
But yeah, everybody else was fine with it, you know.
As long as you don't come on, I don't care.
Yeah, cool. No, you know. All right, well, have a good day.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah.
I'm over here at the Bronson Gate. Looks like I've hit just about every gate here, and they definitely got something going on there. Got the camera crane. God, can you imagine what that kind of stuff costs? The money that goes into something like this, but yeah. Well, they're leaving me alone over here. I think maybe somebody got the call by now. Maybe Mr. Lemon Grove, tough guy. Maybe somebody said something to him. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this audit up. Everyone here was pretty cool except for that one security guard. It's funny how one person can ruin an audit with their behavior, but hey, I'm not really sure what to call this. You know, I'm gonna let you guys decide. Is it a pass? Is it a fail? You decide. So please let me know how you think Paramount Pictures did. Nasty Nathaniel saying thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that groovy stuff.